Number 7 there will be bonds frozen market, workers not being paid. The housing problems in China will cause so much problems for the citizens. All this is due to massive adjustment to the world economy in 2026. And it is a China or more housing market, a huge, okay, and the housing market ever encounter severe problems, and that problem a lot of difficulties about, because there will be massive adjustment to the world economy. They ever affected China for or more housing market, and a housing industry so much to the point say ebema kurumu for no and what should about to the point that China of all places, so there will be frozen bonds or call the bond market now. It will be frozen for some time. If some workers crown or more people be delaying all that. And I'm giving you tomorrow's news today. Some of these things obetiwo news as usual. China will seek out but their housing industry, this year already the housing industry in China will issue kakra. But this year, very serious, very severe. The citizens of China, I want you to do China. Pay attention to what I'm telling you, because I'm giving you tomorrow's news today.